Well, we got Beng's permission. Not Bang, Beng. And, his kids. He's looking at his wife and kid. I think he lives up here. Happily let me video with the drone his beautiful garden, which we've just found out the name, Phin Phin waterfall. And morning. Hi. Oh, I don't know where they've been. They didn't even, she looks Chinese. Isn't that beautiful? Oh my goodness. There's so many of them, look. So many of them. These are the pollinators, the life bringers. The smallest, look at this one here. Look at this. Eh? I'm pretty steady. But, and they're silent, of course. Absolute silence. Can't hear them at all. They're ecstatic. They're having a really good feed. They're all happy together. And these flowers are just not pretty. They're just not. My goodness me. Look at the purple ones. Oof. How deep, beautiful purple can you get? Look at that. Look at that. Wow. Beng has done a heck of a lot of work. A lot of work. In detail, the more he's done. All these two came on a bike. And they've just... But yes. Excuse me. Still got this damn cold. Yes, we've got permission now. We can come anytime and video it, and we'll show Beng. Phin Phin waterfall. Absolutely stunning. I love it. I mean, you know, people might say, well, what's beautiful about that? You know, but I love it. It's just a little unknown waterfall, or a couple of waterfalls. And, you know, it's just a secret garden. It's a sort of secret garden. That's what it is. I've loved it. I've been coming here for 15 years, so, but it's stunning. He's going to make a table and chairs down there. That's beautiful. He's off and he's in his truck. Oh, I didn't see those. Heart-shaped, deep purple leaves. My goodness, man. I never picked up on that at all. We'll have to get a close-up of that. There's the Chinese lady and boy. The boy's driving the bike. Anyway, I just want to show you this little thing here. A little boy, sort of a little boy monk, saying, you know, got some grub. There's some nice flowers. Look at that. Fantastic.